I just imported this product from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify, and it's not allowing me, as you can see. It says here out of stock. Now, what you need to do to fix this problem, it's very, very simple. You just need to open your Shopify dashboard and then click on, let me just reload this page. And after that, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, okay? So after you click on settings, let me just switch to my other store. Okay, so you just need to click on settings, and after that, you want to click on shipping and delivery. After that, you just need to click on general shipping rates, okay? See here, you just need to add rates, okay? So here, as you can see, to start selling to these countries in this zone, include them in the market. Now first, you just need to add shipping zone here, and first you have to add them in the market, but I'm going to show you how you can do that. Here, if you scroll down, you will see here CJ Dropshipping app, right? You just need to click on add rates, click on create a new rate, then select here the countries. Make sure to name the zone in the top, new profile, for example. Customers will not see this, by the way. So here, custom standard name, you want to add here standard. The shipping price, you want to add here the shipping price. Click on done, and make sure you click on save. So after you click on save, you want to check if the problem is solved or not. As you can see now, I am able to purchase the product. It's very, very simple. Now, if it doesn't work, what you need to do is you want to click on shipping and delivery. You want to click on create here, shipping and delivery, create custom profile. And then you want to name this profile whatever, new profile. Click on add products, and then you want to add the product here. Now after you add the product, you want to scroll down. Here you want to add shipping zone. Click on done, add the rate. So rate, customer rate name is going to be standard. And here the price of the product. I'm going to leave it free. Then click on save. That's exactly how to fix this problem. You just need to set up the shipping rates. That's all you need to do. Okay? Very, very simple. If it doesn't work, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. So hopefully this tutorial helped you. Please drop a like. That would be highly appreciated. And see you in the next tutorial.